Mr. Edwards. I'm a digital media teacher at Steinmetz. I've been at Steinmetz for over 25 years. So digital media is part of CTE. So what is CTE? CTE stands for Career and Technical Education. And the goal of CTE is to allow students to gain hands-on marketable skills while still in high school. Programs like CTE are 3 years. The 3 years begin the sophomore year, which is orientation, junior year, which is training, then senior year, which is advanced. As you can see, our department is small, but we do big things. It's myself and Miss Eichstad. So let's look into the 3 programs. So the first program is called Digital Media 1. It's the first program where we teach basic skills. They learn to do things like create business cards, resumes, banners, and because social media is big now, we do things with social media. The next course is called Digital Media 2. Now, if you look at each one of the screens, you'll notice that student work is in it. This particular project, they had to make it look like it was 3D and that you were able to look inside of a person. Also, if you notice on the slides, you'll see the equipment that we use. The first slide had a large plotter, which we make banners. Now this slide, if you look at it, is a digital camera. Speaking of cameras, Devin Johnson, who spoke earlier, is responsible for editing the video and for filming it. All the students were responsible for putting it together. It was student-centered. We had nothing to do with it. All right, let's move on to the third slide. So Digital Media 3, this is the advanced level where we teach real life things, and it focuses on problem solving and digital design and communication. Again, if you look at this slide closely, there is a screen printer. All the students in Digital 3 learn how to use it. Let's go to the next slide. So students also become certified in Photoshop and Illustrator. So in Digital Media 1, they learn the basic skills of Photoshop and Illustrator, but they also have an opportunity during the school year to have job shadows. In Digital Media 3, it's a little more advanced, again, with Photoshop and Illustrator, but now they become certified in Illustrator. And then there are summer opportunities for internships. And the last course, which is Digital Media 3, it's more advanced. They do Photoshop, InDesign, and Premiere. And they also become certified in Photoshop. So digital media is not like in the past where it's just a simple vocational course. Now what we focus on is getting students into colleges and earning a 2 or 3 year, 4-year degree. If you look at the list, all these colleges or universities are in Illinois, but digital media is in a lot of states. And some of the degrees that they could earn would be in graphic design, digital photography, computer animation, communication, and web design. So what are some of the things that make a good fit for students for this program? They need to be computer literate. I don't mean that they simply like computers, but they know how to use them and they are proficient in the programs. Also, we want good problem solvers. They should be creative, learning to think out of the box, work independently, but team players as well. An artist is not required for the program, but it's great because if you can put your own individual touch in your programs, then that makes your projects that much original.